Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wear multiple hair or face accessories in Roblox. So first of all you have to enter into Roblox website on any browser. So I will recommend you to use Chrome browser. So once you enter guys, now let me show you how can you do that. But first of all, go to avatar, and as you can see that my avatar has already multiple hairs. You can see that multiple hair has been selected. So how did I do that? If you try to select multiple hair, it will basically unselect the previous one. So but you can see that I have selected multiple hairs here. So how did how did it possible, and how did I do that? So if so by this trick you can select as many as hair you want. What you need to do, you have to go to uh, browser and search for BT Roblox. So BT Roblox is a new extension. You can try this out, and basically it's a very helpful tool for the Roblox. So it basically enables features that Roblox does not offer. So you can just install this extension on your browser, and once you install, just go to the manage extensions and enable this extension from here. Once you enable guys, you just need to refresh your website. So the interface on the left menu will be changed, like it has come with more features here, like our vision for the Roblox economy, and these options will be available after enabling the extension. Now you just need to go to hair and body, and now you can select as many hair you want. So right now, let me unselect all of them. And now guys, you just need to select as many you want. Fine. So if you so let me show you one thing. If I turn it off, okay, and if I reload this extension and go back to here, and if I try to unselect all of them and then try to select, it won't allow more than one here. You can see that it automatically unselect the one. So that is the advantage of using BT Roblox. Fine. Hope you get it, my idea, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. You just need to enable the extension, and you can choose as many as here on Roblox. So thanks for watching. Bye.